Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a ring light for about $35, which is awesome because it's a lot less than the regular ring lights that you find online or in the store that are this size, 12 inches or more, and they usually retail for $70 to $150. So first I started out with a wreath circle that you get at the dollar store, just $1, and a piece of foam core. I traced the foam core around both sides, or traced on the foam core the wreath on both sides, the inside of the circle and the outside. Once you've traced the inside and the outside of the wreath hoop, you can cut the foam core with a scissors or an X-Acto knife. You can see here how I'm tracing around the inside and outside with a scissors as an X-Acto knife. It's totally up to you. I chose foam core instead of cardboard because it's lighter weight and you want this to be as lightweight as possible, especially if you plan on making a stand for it. And foam core is much easier to work with and shape even after you've gotten it cut out. So that's why I chose the foam core instead of cardboard. So then you'll take the circle once you get it all cut out and remove the excess of the foam core. Then you'll be left with a hollow circle, and I'm just trimming the edges to make it more smooth. Then you're going to take your tin foil and you're going to wrap the hoop in tin foil all the way around, the shiniest side on the outside. Now, as you can see, the hoop is completely covered in the foil, and just make sure that you can inlay the hoop inside of the wreath circle. I should note that I did get the light strip at Best Buy for about $29.99. So once I made sure everything fit, I attached the LED light strip to the entire circumference of the wreath. You want to attach it on the wire side, facing you so that the lights are facing towards you as you are attaching it, and leaving the cord with the adjusting on and off button hanging out of the bottom. So you're going to attach the LED light strip all the way around with zip ties, and then you'll cut off the excess of that. And then you're going to attach the wreath wire frame to the foil covered hoop that you covered and cut out. So you're going to do that also with zip ties. I got a bag of zip ties from the dollar store, and these work perfectly because they're nice and thin, and then you just go around and cut off the excess. The final step will be to cover the entire wreath hoop with press and seal to make it look like a standard light ring light. So there you have it. There's what your ring light looks like when it's all complete. And then this is a picture of me without the ring light on. And then the next picture is me with the ring light on, so you can see you get wonderful results with this project. If you love this tutorial, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube page and make sure that you check back often for more tutorials. You can also head over to catmanx.com and subscribe to my newsletter.